What's going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with Kartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer can buy. Today we're going to be looking at the Samsung 45 super fast charger. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is my second video. My first video, I didn't realize that my mic wasn't connected to my phone that I'm recording. I'm recording with it's a coincidence with the iPhone 7 Plus. But I unboxed it. This is the box that it comes with in it. It's a plastic that separates these two items. So that's the little unboxing. Let's compare the super fast charger to the 45 versus the 25. You could tell that it's much thicker, the 45 compared to the 25. It's heavier. You can feel the difference that it's much heavier, and all around is just much bigger. It's much bigger. And then the cable that comes with the 25 watt versus the 45 watt, you could see the difference. I don't know if it's going to pick it up that good, but you can see the difference that the 45 watt one is much thicker than the 25 watt one. But the whole purpose of this video is to show, to see if this $30 spin guard Type-C to Type-C / Thunderbolt 3 cable could give me the same wattage as the 45 watt cable. Samsung alleged you need a certain particular cable so you could get the full super fast charging. I'm gonna plug it in. Everybody know that I have the Aurora Blue Note 10 Plus, aka what I call it, Nipsey Blue 10 Plus. Let's plug it in and let's see what we get out of it. All right, so before I plug it in, my phone is at 47. What I'm gonna concentrate is the time that it gives me to be at 100%. Let's see what we get out of it. Right now it says 7 minutes into 4. Okay, so now we're gonna take the gas spin and let's see if we get the same number. Guys, it gave me 7 minutes into 4, so it's giving me the same amount of wattage that the 45 watt cable gave me. So if y'all interested in buying this cable, I think it's gonna be definitely worth it. It's 6 feet and it doesn't come with it's 6 feet and it's much thicker than the regular one, and it throws out the same wattage. Yes, it's $30, but if I want to charge my phone comfortably, I don't got to be next to the wall. I'll definitely do it. So the result is it worth buying the 45 watt charger? I mean, I got this one for free because I pre-ordered the Note 10 Plus and they gave you $150. I got the wireless charging stand, the portable battery, wireless also, and then the 45 watt. So I got everything for free. I'm okay with the 25 watt one, but if I have the 45 watt one, I'm definitely gonna use it more because it's much faster. The timing difference is not that really. I mean, it is big. I'm not gonna lie, because from 0 to 60, you're able to charge your phone less than an hour, and with the 25 watt one, is gonna be an hour 10, hour 15, depending what apps you have in your phone. That's another big thing. But if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.